Hi everyone, welcome to Fill Your Heart. In this activity, you're going to need a sheet of paper, scissors, and some kind of writing utensil. For my writing utensil, I'm going to be using a combination of a pencil, colored pencil, and Sharpie. To start our project, we're going to fold a sheet of paper in half. We're then going to sketch out half of a heart using our writing utensil with the center of the heart against the seam of the fold. From here, we're going to take our scissors and cut out our heart shape. Now that we've cut out our heart, we're going to fill our heart with all of the things that we love in our life. This can be anything from particular foods to objects, activities, people, really anything. If you're not entirely sure of where to start, a good place is to think about what sort of things make you happy and what sort of things are you thankful for. For example, if you are really thankful for having a loving family, you can write your family on there. Or if you really love making music, maybe you'll draw a music note. For example, I personally love roses. They're my favorite flower in the whole world. So for the background of my heart, I used a vague rose pattern. I also really love to dance, particularly partner dancing. So I drew two figures swing dancing in my heart. This is an especially good activity to do if you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or lonely. By doing this activity, we're acknowledging that there are still good things in the world and that even if right now seems bad and it's like nothing is working out for us, there's still good things in our life. By remembering that, it tends to relieve some of that stress, makes us feel slightly less lonely, and really overall improves our health. Furthermore, by doing this activity once, even if you don't have time to do it again, you can always pull it out and go back and refer to your heart to remember all the things that you love. We hope you enjoyed Fill Your Heart. For more fun, easy activities, follow @UCLA Heart on Instagram, and thank you for watching.